I'm sure you're tired of hearing about EPC requirements, whether they will affect you or not, and if you can afford them or not. As a property owner or property manager, you'll always be impacted by these kinds of changes, and you want to be able to plan out in advance as they happen. Plan out your costs for your upgrades, assess your portfolio or your properties on an individual basis, and see which ones require upgrades. Group them by cost and start to plan that out. Some may require smaller upgrades like new thermostats and something minor. Some may require bigger upgrades like changing boilers, rewiring the whole property, and you need to plan this out so that you can spread the cost of those upgrades throughout. You'll then treat your projects as capital upgrades, meaning you can actually claim from these costs as the years go by. You can speak to your accountant, they'll show you what kind of benefits you'll have from claiming these expenses for years to come. If you're operating a limited company, you also want to consider whether you're spending on these amounts from retained profits and how that will impact your cash in the business, because that will determine what you can take out either as a dividend or as any form of income for your own personal benefit. So you want to be able to plan on where that cash will be coming from, whether from your business or you're injecting new cash into those properties or into those upgrades. Also speak to your tenants well in advance. You want to be able to have this good communication with your tenants if you want to have major upgrades, because it improves your relationships, but also it avoids any risks of voids. So you may have voids anyway, but you potentially reduce the risk if you're communicating well in advance, so that tenants are also prepared if works are going to be done on the property that they're already occupying. Finally, keep an audit trail of all the receipts and invoices that you're receiving as you do the project. This will form part of the MTD if you're going to be enrolled at some point, but also it will help you if you have to claim any tax reliefs or if you have to claim any expenditures in your business, because you will have the audit trail that supports this.